Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create multi-page design layouts using artboards in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and immediately choose artboards because this project needs structure, not chaos. I create the first artboard as the cover page, then slowly add new artboards for inner pages. I pause here. This is where many designers rush. Each artboard represents a page, a flow, a story. I duplicate layouts to maintain consistency, then carefully adjust text and images so repetition feels intentional, not lazy. When spacing feels tight, I take a breath and loosen it. Good design needs air.